Well, well, here you go. Here's what it's like to get 8 inches. Damn, it's bright. It's fucking bright out, man. It's like this plow truck's been by here and did one strip down the fucking road. About to get out here and dig the car out. It's not too bad though. 8 inches. Let's go see what the backyard looks like. Where's Rusty at?
He was on the couch.
There's the backyard. Snowblower won't start, thinking it needs a fucking spark plug. I was hitting the primer button on the gas. Did end up flooding it, so now it's getting gas. Had it inside to let it warm up. Still won't start up though. Even when I plug it in to start it up, it won't turn over, so I'm thinking fucking spark plug on it's bad. That snowblower didn't have any snow on it or around it yesterday. Trampoline.